Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. As you can see, my son loves little action figures. He plays with them all of the time and didn't have a good storage space for them until we got this Furinno corner shelf. This corner shelf was ideal for my son's room because it's not too tall for him to reach the top shelf. I am 5'5", so you can see it's just a bit shorter than I am, so my 10-year-old boy can easily reach everything. It's also nice and lightweight and portable, or if you know you want to keep it in a space like we did, you can use this wall anchor to make sure that it doesn't tip over or fall. It's also really easy to put together. You don't need any tools. My son and I were able to put this together in less than 10 minutes, and he did most of the work. He even carried it upstairs all by himself and put it in his room. So if you are looking for some very affordable, lightweight furniture that still looks nice, then this corner shelf by Furinno is definitely the way to go. And that's my point of view.